another instance of VIPs trying to follow different rules today morning in Patna at the airport. Union Minister Ram Kripal Yadav tried to use the exit gate at the airport building. He was there to receive another Union Minister, Bandaru Dattatreya. However, the CISF officer there refused. Alok joins us on the phone line for more. Alok, give us the details. The CISF officer refused and the minister then had to enter the proper way, the way everyone does.
Well, yes, that is what happened. In fact, Ram Kripal Yadav has been in Bihar over the last 2 or 3 days attending various functions. He was there in the morning today to receive Bandaru Dattatreya, the other minister. And we have footage that clearly shows Ram Kripal trying to enter through the exit gate and the lady CISF inspector posted there, clearly refusing, speaking on a walkie-talkie to seniors, asking if such an entry should be permitted. The seniors were saying, no, please don't permit it. Then, though Mr. Ram Kripal did not raise his voice, but he was telling the CISF inspector that only I will enter, my entourage will not enter. But really, the CISF inspector saying, no, that will not be possible. Finally, Mr. Ram Kripal, we believe, stayed outside and received the other minister when he came out. The inspector later spoke to the TV cameras that were there. In fact, she was a little angry. She said that had I permitted the entry, I would have been suspended. And how can that be possible? Why should I do it? That's what she said. And this took place in the morning. It was shot by 1 or 2 cameras that were present at the airport. But there is clear footage to establish that when it comes to flaunting your VIP status, perhaps you have ministers and you have politicians who are willing to go the wrong way. The entry gate, by the way, is just 10 meters away from the exit gate. So there was I mean, he could have gone from the entry gate the proper way, but perhaps he chose not to do that and tried to enter through the exit gate, but the CISF lady... All right,
Alok, well, let's just listen into... We can see that footage there. We can see the CISF officer. Let's just listen into it.
साइड हो जाइए